Metadata Utility Object Management. From the main switchboard, click on Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Object and Caption Management Switchboard, followed by clicking on Object Management. This will launch the Object Management window. To activate a feature built in Metadata Utility for object management, simply click on the active checkbox for the applicable interface that a user wishes to fully manage or custom manage. This will enable, once activated, the user the capability to rename those fields or even change the language to their own choosing. Once that feature has been clicked, to activate it, simply click on the close button and if that feature is currently in use, it is only necessary to simply close that opened feature and reopen it again to see the changes. Let's have a look at an example on our live demo. Here we have our main application opened, as well as additional windows that are also features that are also built in Metadata Utility. We will activate the object management for the main application Metadata Utility. We click on the maintenance switchboard, we click on the lookup maintenance switchboard, we click on object and caption management switchboard, and lastly we click on object management. We will see that object management opens to the right hand corner on the main application. We will activate object management for the main application Metadata Utility. As we look on the lists of available interfaces, we find Metadata Utility, and to activate it for management, then we simply click on the active checkbox. Now that it has been activated, we will be able to rename or even change the language for that interface. We click on close, and as we see, Metadata Utility is currently opened. We search for a movie, for example, Lethal Weapon. We see the application is fully working. To see the changes for the management of this main interface, we simply close the interface and reopen it again to see the changes. From the main switchboard, we now click on Return to Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, then click on Return to Maintenance Switchboard. We're basically moving backwards to go back to the main switchboard page. return to main switchboard. Once on the main switchboard, we click on Enter/View Information Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility to launch the main application. As we see in the example here, and let's bring a zoom-in version, we will notice that each of the fields, including the title of the application, has been completely renamed. Instead of Metadata Utility, it reads now XML-U, as well as every single field in this particular case has been renamed to something else. This feature will enable users to customize and change a given field name to their custom desired name, as well as for those users that wish to change maybe the language to their own, they can do so by using this functionality in Metadata Utility. Now, to customize the actual language or change the values on each of the fields, we have a separate video that we welcome users to click on to get more information on how to use that functionality. For any questions on any of the other features built in Metadata Utility, we welcome our users to click on those available videos that we have online, as well as to visit our website, where we have detailed instructions step by step on those different features and functionalities built in Metadata Utility that enables users to manage their entire Windows Media Center movie library, movie information, also known as metadata information. Our website is metadatautility.com. We thank you for watching.